Menon's Delicacies. This is Lata here. Hope you all are doing good. Wishing you all a very, very, very happy Holi. So today's dish is a Holi sweet. It is called as Chandrakala Gujia, a kind of Gujia, but in a different way. So let's start the preparation. of Gujia. I've got some hot ghee, 1/4 cup. I've got 200 grams of mawa. Maida, I've taken 2 cups. Some hot water for kneading the dough. I've got caster sugar for the masala which will go into the gujia. I've got designated coconut, 1/4 cup. I told you I've taken 1/4 cup of rava, some raisins, 2 tablespoons of raisins, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. I'm going to crush this both. Some cardamoms, 4 to 5, which will go into the sugar syrup. Saffron stands, this will again go into the sugar syrup. 2 cups of water and 1.5 cup of sugar, which will go into the sugar syrup. I'll be showing you at that time. And this is nutmeg powder. So let's start making the dough first. So now the first step of making the gujia is making the dough. So I'm going to add 2 cups, as I told you before, 2 cups of maida. I've not taken any wheat flour on this. I'm going to pour this hot ghee. This is 1/4 cup. We are going to mix it nicely, just in a crushed form. So now I'm going to add little water. The water should not be more nor less. The dough should be very perfect so that you get very nice gujias. I've taken 1 cup of water, but I may need only 1/4 cup of water out of that. So let us knead this slowly. So our dough is done. See, it is not soft, neither it is hard. This should be like this so that we can roll it out properly. So once your dough is done, let's close this with a cloth and keep, because it should not be dry. So we'll close it and keep, and then we'll start making the masala for the gujia. I've taken that cashew nuts and almonds. I'll just crush it in the chopper, and then we'll get back to make the stuffing. I've taken a pan. I'm just going to pour 1 spoon of ghee. That's it. Now, first goes in our mawa. We'll just saute this mawa till it becomes a bit of brown color, and then we'll add the other stuffing parts. So our mawa is almost done. Now next we are going to saute rava. Now next in the pan goes semolina, that is rava. So let us saute this also for around 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to pour a bit of ghee in this, and at this moment I'm going to add the crushed almonds and cashews. That's it for the stuffing, and then we are going to add some spice powders. Okay, I forgot to tell you all about the desiccated coconut. That also I'm going to add, and then the spice powders. So now to this mawa we are going to add the stuffing of desiccated coconut, the crushed dry fruits, and we have here some cardamom powder, caster sugar, raisins, nutmeg. That's it. So we are going to mix this nicely and make the stuffing ready. So our stuffing is ready. Our dough is ready. Now the next step is to make sugar syrup. So I've taken a pan here. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So for 2 cups of water, I've taken 1.5 cup of sugar. We need 1 strand consistency of the sugar syrup. Here I'm going to add some saffron strands. This is for color and the flavor. some normal cardamoms, green cardamoms. I'm going to switch on the gas. In the meanwhile, we'll start making the gujiyas, rolling out the gujiyas. So our dough is nice, fine and hard. It is not hard, not smooth also. So this is the best dough which is made. So I'm going to make 2 portions of this. We'll take 1 portion, roll out. So I've rolled out the dough. Now you know the dough is perfect when there are no cracks in the sides. So now I'm going to cut it out with, you can cut it out with anything. If you have a cutter, you can do with that. I'm just going to do this way. Now what we're going to do is, next add the stuffing to this. I'll be just showing 2 here, and then the rest of the things I'll be doing it. So I put the stuffing here. Now next we are going to do is just put this on this and stick it. Now one way which you can do is just press from one side and then keep folding it into pleats. Fold, press, fold, press, fold, this way, press, fold. So we have finished rolling out the gujiyas with the stuffing. We'll be frying it, and I have got some stuffing left. You can always preserve this in an airtight container and make more gujiyas in some weeks, or maybe this can stay for 1 month, 1.5 months in the fridge. But don't forget to keep it in an airtight container. So let's start frying the gujiyas now. So our sugar syrup is done here. I'll just show the consistency. We need 1 thread consistency. That's it. I'm going to switch off the sugar syrup gas. Now we come here. So in a pan I've taken ghee. You can also fry it in oil, but ghee will be more tastier. I'm going to drop 1. 1 more. I've taken a small pan. So let's fry this. So I have cooked this almost for 3 to 4 minutes. So this is the way it should be golden brown. Now the next step will be, I'll be dropping this into the sugar syrup. Slowly we have to drop this. Each batch I'll be frying and I'll be dropping this into the sugar syrup. So our Chandrakala gujiyas are done. Now this is a bit different from the normal gujiyas. If you will want to make it in the normal gujia shapes, you can make that and dip it in the sugar syrup and follow the same procedure. So if you have liked the video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.